namatay na.
Huh?
Pero before man kakadto siya sa graveyard tapos sa mga pag-ogin lubong ginahukay niya ka
Yes, ma'am. Sa Netflix, documentary. Documentary sa Netflix. Documentary or movie? Documentary. Pero kung ano, hanggang ngayon hindi ko matapos-tapos. Wala pakita. Target niya, ma'am. Ano, ma'am? Okay.
You get to see necro, no? The love for them, no? And people. Okay, it's grabbing. Actually, it's of course it's not. That's not the normal way of loving anyone. That's not normal. It's not really loving.
Many of his later murders involved necrophilia and cannibalism.
Okay, so necrophilia, that's one, no? By the way, take note, isa ito na sa inyo, but take note of the characteristics of necrophilia. If they do not go to that extreme of having sex with the dead or, like being serial killer, but they basically like death, they basically like to create conflict and war. I know someone really, not really to that extent, okay, very strict, very grabe it ang law and order, and but the sad thing is that person happens to be a member, of the family, very strict and all, and lots to create the gamay-gamayan na bagay, she would make it very big, and it actually has caused me pain, especially. I'm not going to give further details of that, but you see, there are some people who just love to inflict other people and to bully, especially if they find someone who tends to be submissive and who tends to be, namadaog-daog na nila, this other type of people. Necrophilia. Another one is malignant narcissism. Malignant narcissism. Malignant na narcissism.
No.
Narcissism.
Neurotic.
Okay. Now, in one way or another, narcissism. Okay. Now, in one way or another, all of us has a tendency to become narcissistic.
Yes,
May tendency kita. Like, of course, we need to have the self-love, di ba? So, there is a certain level of self-centeredness. Okay? Especially kung bata ka lang, isang bata ka pa,